Does your pool light float and not stay in the wall? Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix it. Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm going to show you how to fix a pool light that wants to float up and just won't stay in the wall anymore. So, pretty common problem with pool lights is that the ring that this screw is supposed to screw into likes to break off. It's usually the first thing to go, especially if you have poor chemistry. If you've been slacking on that pH a little bit, there's nowhere for this to screw into anymore. So a simple fix is to get something called a light wedge, and this is going to screw in right here. We're going to take this out. We're going to put this light wedge into place of the light screw. And you see it's got a curve on it. We're going to curve that down towards the light, like so. And now this is going to be our new light screw. So this is going to go into the light niche and hold it in there. Since there is no screw hole anymore, we're just going to bypass that. And then as this gets tighter, so you can see how it sits on the light, and as I tighten this screw up, it's going to cinch this up closer and closer, and it's going to stay in that niche better. So now the light won't be floating anymore, and we can get rid of this old light screw. Here we go. So yeah, just make sure you keep it in the right direction. You want to stuff that cord back in there. This one's got a really short cord on it. I couldn't even pull it up out of the pool, it's so short. Usually you can pull your light up onto the deck to work on it, but not this one. So you might have to loosen it a little bit to get it to fit into the niche. And then make sure you get that bottom part locked in place. It has that lip on the bottom that you want to make sure it's seated into. That way it won't come out. And then once you got it all seated in, you just start tightening that screw. And you'll feel it pulling that piece of plastic closer to the metal ring. So I can feel the light is getting tight now. You don't want to over tighten it just to get it snug. And that's pretty much it. We're good, we're snug. Let me give you a nice view. So now the light is in the wall better. It's not popped out and not gonna float anymore. So yeah, that's called a light wedge. If you guys found that helpful, throw me a like, throw me a subscribe to, and leave something in the comments if you have any questions you would like answered. I'm trying to use my 20+ years of pool industry experience to help out homeowners. So leave me some ideas down there and I'll try to make them for you. So, alright, that's the end of this one. Hit the like, hit subscribe, come back next time for more tips. See you guys.